Sure. What's up, guys? You can actually buy. You can actually trade crash and boom, another volatility analysis, another volatility without indicators. That is using price action. Yeah, the phone now. You can see my chart now. It doesn't contain any indicator. Yeah, it doesn't contain any indicator, and also the lines for the analysis, they are not here. All those they were done in my system. So I'm just showing you guys that you can actually trade with price action, because if you see, this is the 1 hour time frame, and it's a bullish market. Yeah, there's a massive uptrend. Yeah, then it's an uptrend, guys. So we can see it's an uptrend. Checking from the day time frame, you should know it's an uptrend from the day. Yeah. Okay, though it's pointing up, but we should know at least up to this extent. You check the rate. So up to this extent, I should be getting ready to exit this market at this point. Yes, getting ready to exit the market at this point. Yes, guys. So these are these things work. So let me check on the 15-minute time frame. You can see for the 15-minute time frame. Okay. This is the 15-minute time frame. I'll soon exit this market. I will soon leave this market, because at this resistance, it might spike. It might spike at this resistance. Even if it will continue, but it will spike. So I don't want to wait for that. I need to leave the market here. For the 1 minute time frame, you can see it's on a heavy buy. So let me exit this market. Okay. I know you guys will be like, oh, these are small accounts. He trades on small accounts. Yeah, that's an account I'm managing. Sure, I'm trying to grow the account for one of my students. I'm trying to grow the account for him. Yeah, so the account was just $20 before, and now it's $57. Yeah. For small accounts, I prefer to use small lot size and leave it for a long time. I prefer to analyze with long time frame for small accounts. Yeah, guys. So let's check on other currencies like okay, this is crash 500. At this point, from the 1 day time frame, a direction has not been given for the crash 500. We don't have a direction here. We don't have a direction. So you don't enter this kind of market. You wait for a specified direction. The market must show you where it's going. From the 30 minutes, it's based on price action. Looking at this market, you should be able to figure out that this market is going to be a bearish. It's going to sell from the 30-minute time frame, but from the 15-minute time frame, it's also showing a sell. It's also indicating a sell for the 15-minute time frame. Yeah. Guys, I prefer using long time frame. Long time frame is the best. You just analyze from your long time frame, your daily time frame, your 4 hour chart. Then you just get your entry from a small time frame, so you won't have to face pullback. Guys, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Comment down below your questions, I'll answer. Follow us on Instagram at Forex Success. Our link is at the description below. Follow us and talk to us whatever you feel or whatever you want. Yeah, sure guys, talk to us and we'll know how to assist you. Tutorial mentorship is also available, guys, just for $100, and everything you really need to know about the trading, volatility, crash and boom will be provided for you. Everything is something you will enjoy for the rest of your life. So just take the risk. Not necessarily the risk. Just take the do the sacrifice and you enjoy it for the rest of your life. Many of our students, they're already trading well. Yeah, they're trading well. And I always advise people, keep on practicing. You don't stop because you blew your account. Keep on practicing, even on your demo account. Keep on doing it. You will become better. You will get used to it. Daddy, this is forex trading. You will get used to it. This is crash and boom. You will become so used to it that when you just come to this crash, let's say you open the crash 500, you just know where it's going because you are really used to it. You're used to it. You have a strategy. You start making. I understand everybody do lose. Yeah, everybody do lose from trading, but your profit should be more than your loss. I do lose, but to be successful is to have more profit and lesser loss. So that's how it is, guys. Thanks very much, and make sure you hit the red subscribe button. And let me use this opportunity to thank you all that hit the red subscribe button. I truly appreciate your support, guys. I truly appreciate. It shows that you guys cherish what you got here. I'm happy for that. I'm happy when I see subscribers. Yeah, I see likes, I see comments, good comments, not hate speech, good comments. Yeah, I really appreciate, guys. So keep it up and make sure to hit the red subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified each time I drop a strategy, guys. Yeah, so guys, you can see, right? This is crash 1000. This is crash 1000. You know I was in crash 500 before, but right now I'm in crash 1000. Yeah, you see what I was telling you. You see what I was saying, guys, that there's going to be spike. Yeah, that it's going to spike. You can see a heavy spike. See the spike, guys. I told you it's gonna spike. Not just look at the current state of the market. It got an invisible spike. It spiked, then an invisible spike up to this point. So you see, I left the market because I knew it's going to spike. You see, guys, you can check the time. It's the same. Check the time, it's the same. Okay, let's check the time together. You can see yes. Okay, guys, you see at 12 I left this market at this point. No. You can see when it go up and came down. That's this high. I left this market at this point because I knew it's going to spike at this resistant level. That's what I said, guys. I knew it's going to spike at this resistant level. So I left this market and you see, boom, you see the spike up to this point. You see the spike. You see, guys, let me put it on the 5-minute time frame so you get it right. You see the spike? You see, guys, I left at this point because of this resistance, and it spiked. So guys, another advice for you is that if you are buying crash or you're selling boom, please exit your trade when it gets to a resistance or a support level. Yes, exit it because it's normally spiked. It's normally spike. And a good advice to catch spike, it's also at the resistant level or a support level. You catch spike mostly at that level, at that point. The point the current market just touch the resistant level and just go above it a little, then boom, to spike. That's how this market work. I've been understanding it. I've been trying to look into how the behavior of this crash and boom, and those are things I've been able to figure out. It's mostly spike on a resistance or support level. It pulls back, and you can see this, guys. You can see this. You can confirm from the time I closed the trade and the time this video now, because I was almost closing that video. I was about to stop because I didn't want the video to be too long, so I closed before it spiked. So this is a continuation of it. You can see, check from the time. This is the point I closed that trade. You can see it, guys. So that's how it is. This is how we make this money from crash and boom. You have to be really careful, like seriously careful. You just do what you really need to do and try to overcome fear. You don't need fear while trading, because you won't be able to grab opportunities that come your way. You'll be scared to take risk, and you have to take risk in order to be successful from trading forex. Seeing this price action, this is giving us a buy signal right now. After this spike, a buy. You see, after the spike right now, guys, it's giving us a buy signal. You can see okay, you can see it's giving us a buy signal, most especially when the 15-minute time frame is doing same. When the 15-minute time frame is doing same, the 5-minute time frame is also doing same. You can see for this we got a one candle spike, then uptrend continue, another one candle spike, uptrend continue. The third one is likely to do same, another spike. The third uptrend continues. You can see uptrend is continuing. Okay, 30 minutes, same thing. 30 minutes, another spike, and it goes that way. And from the 30 minutes, you see it's an uptrend. 1 day time frame, same thing, guys. This candle is going up. This candle is expected to get to this level. Yeah, it's expected to get to this level, this resistant level, then before it can decide to come down. So that's how it is, guys. I don't really want this video to be that much long, so thanks for watching, and make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification. If you have any question for mentorship, DM me on Instagram. The link is at the description. Message me on Instagram, or you follow my channel on Telegram and DM me. I'm always answering your questions. Yeah, so also thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day and successful trading.